You've been in an accident, you've been injured, you bring a lawsuit for monetary compensation. How exactly do we prove this at trial? Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm Jim Bendel, an attorney practicing in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. What has to be proved at trial is that your injury was due to the other driver's fault. Now, there are several ways we can prove this. The first one is proving a violation of the traffic laws. Obviously, there are specific laws in terms of speed, traffic signs, duties to pass and not to pass in certain lanes and so forth. If we can show that one of those traffic laws were violated, that's evidence of negligence on the part of the other driver. And negligence is the key component that we have to prove at trial. Negligence is basically carelessness. In addition to specific laws, there's a duty to act with reasonable care. So for example, even if the speed limit is 40, if it's snowing and there's ice all over the road, if the other driver was going 40 in those conditions, it may be evidence of negligence. Now, after an accident, sometimes parties disagree as to who caused the accident and precisely what happened. The driver may recall it differently than you or may not be telling the truth. In those cases, we often hire an accident reconstruction expert. Now, what is that? An accident reconstruction expert is a person generally with an engineering background. And that person will go through the accident report, the police reports, often measure the skid marks, and make calculations as to the likely speed of the vehicles, the direction that they were traveling at the time of the collision. This is a precise science based on principles of physics that engineers study in order to become skilled in this type of discipline. The accident reconstruction expert is often the key to proving your personal injury case and getting you the financial damages you deserve. Why am I telling you this? Because if you're watching this, you have questions about accidents and getting recovery for those accidents. I answer questions like this every single day, and I welcome your call. Here's what I'd like you to do next. Pick up the phone and call me, and I'll answer these questions for you. I'm Jim Bendel. Thank you for watching.